Hey everyone, this simple singing break is meant to help you during a busy day. So, whenever you're stressed out and you need a break, just put this video on. Just do this with me, it's very simple. I repeat every exercise 3 times. We're going to start with humming. Now we're going to hum from one low note to the high note. We're going to take a slide from the low note to the high note. And a slide down from the high to low. Place your hand here on your chest. Going to take those 4 notes again. This time I want you just to concentrate on the vibrations here in your chest. First note again. Now just let's be very quiet, very silent, and pretend we're very tired. And we want our voice to make an effect. This effect sounds like a creaking door. If it doesn't work and you're too loud, just go to be more quiet. Pretend you're very tired. Once more. Okay, we're going back to what we know. This time with a vowel, the vowel oo. Ooh, 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 Very well done. So you see, and you heard that I kept it very simple, so even beginners can do this. And anytime you're feeling stressed, you can just repeat this exercise, and it's going to help you distract a little bit from the stress, let go of your thoughts, and just concentrate on this activity of singing. And yes, I hope this made you feel a little more relaxed. And I'm wishing you that you find time today to repeat this 1 or 2 times. And I'm wishing you a nice day.